Here I have INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button, power boost. You can enable it like this, you can turn it off the same way. You can also change optional optimization items, like you can switch screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, enable dark theme, turn off Wi-Fi automatically, and turn off location. You can enable power boost reminder. You can set it to turn on automatically when your device is at least 20% battery. And you can also turn it off automatically when it charges up to 75%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.